Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Monzi Crypto, and today we're going to continue on with our beautiful series over here, BEEFY. Oh boy, retirement fund. So looking at this again, we are literally going to have more daily estimates or daily yield than we accrued in total. That's how fast we went up until part 10. This is absolutely ridiculous. So I caught up now, and from now on forward, every 10 games that you guys sponsor, I will then put in another $50 into this project and obviously review everything, right? So it will be a lot less that we're going to invest from now on forward. So these numbers will change quite a lot. So you have to take a good look at them, right? So everything is about $50 or close to as possible, every investment we did. So pretty cool stuff at the moment. Very big fan of, this accumulated self projects. And if you click on, let's say, for example, we have, let's say, one that we're in for a while now. So Bitcoin BNB, if I click on this, it actually shows your accumulation as well. So if you go to the next, it's like an every hour or so. You can see it accumulate there quite a bit, actually. The value that it says your deposit, it goes up by quite a lot. And you can see your compound effect of it. So it's pretty crazy, actually, if you look at it this way. And that makes it very nice, in my opinion, to actually see your income being accumulated back into the project. And it will just be a lot easier for you to stay in a positive, even though we're down quite a lot right now. We're down $3 almost in total. The accrued yield or the daily estimate yield is going to work hard to keep you in a positive. So that's the cool thing about this project, about BEEFY. That's why I decided on BEEFY. I used to love them back in the day, and there's still a project that's very much alive. So we're just going to take them seriously and build up another profile here. And the cool thing is now the accrued yield will start on 0 because my account was hacked. I had to make a new account, and it's going to be a more secure now. So hopefully this will never happen again. And I wish to all of you to never get hacked ever. So just keep your keys safe, guys. It's very important that you do that. So yeah, I don't know what project to go into right now, to be honest. Let me think about this. Give me a second. Honestly, guys, I can't make up my mind. So just for the safety precautions, I'm going to go into Bitcoin BNB, another $50 in there. It just makes sense. When in doubt, just buy Bitcoin, right? That's pretty much the best tip I could give. When in doubt, just get Bitcoin, dude. So I'm going to just click over here. Why do I have that much BNB? Oh, Bitcoin. I have like over $1 in Bitcoin here. That's kind of weird. I don't know why I have that much Bitcoin. It's kind of crazy. So let us just do this. Remove all the fluff at the back. Make this a 7 and a 7. $50, 50 cents. We were 50 cents under, so I'm going to just take this one right here. It's not a big deal. And deposit. I don't know if it's this project that was 50 cents under. I'm not too sure. But we'll do this quickly. You know, it might actually be the Bitcoin that's just laying there that makes the project lower, if that makes sense, than it should have been. So now that I think of it, because we were like a few dollars short sometime, now it's just laying there. Here, for some reason, I have Filecoin also. That's kind of crazy. I don't understand. Our wallet is just getting filled with coins that we make pairs for. So it seems like the Zap is not working so good as it should. But yeah, so it went through. So this should be 250 now. So if we click on vaults here, my vaults, 250, there we go. As close to as we could get it. But yeah, there we go. Pretty cool project. And now we invested $500 in total in here. So now it's going to be a lot slower for me to accumulate here. what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just continue on accumulating inside BFG, you know, staking inside my crypto staking wallet over here. That's where the fund's going to go now instead. Because I need to work on my daily yield also here, because this is going to be my monthly expenses over time. That's this project. And then if eventually my YouTube channel do pay my monthly rent and my monthly bills, I will just accumulate this, you know, keep on putting whatever money we make here back into the project. But I'll eventually make videos, more videos about this as well, guys. I'm a big fan of BitFury. Links in the description, by the way. BitFury, I think, is going to be still where my main project is. And BEEFY is going to be a retirement fund. Something we slowly but surely invest into. Hopefully once a month we do put $50 in. But it all depends on you guys. If you sponsor games and stuff like that, just keep in mind, if the game is longer, it might take longer for us to get to 10 games. But yeah, so I think it's a pretty cool way to, you know, be a part of the channel. You pay $5 and I play whatever game you tell me to. And there's so many games out there. So, I mean, out of GTA alone, we only covered Vice City, right? So there's so many games that I haven't covered. Out of all the Final Fantasy games, I think I've played 4. So yeah, it's, or 5. Yeah, we played quite a bit of Final Fantasies, but there's so many more Final Fantasies that I haven't covered versus what I covered. So just keep that in mind. There's a lot of games that I still haven't played. Metal Gear Solid, only played 1 game so far, which is number 3, I think. So yeah, like, I think this is just a great way to get all, like, both, you know, the gaming aspect and this channel together, if you guys take part in it, obviously, and help us build up this portfolio. And it's going to be there for, I don't know, I'm going to try and do this for like 20 years before I retire. And it's going to just be a great thing to do and to be a part of, in my opinion. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Hopefully I'll see you guys next month, yeah? Slowly but surely we'll accumulate here. So yeah, thanks for being here, guys. I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.